Dear student, in this video, we will learn one of the type of the optical sensor, that is light dependent resistor LDR. The learning outcomes of this video are the students will be able to understand definition of LDR, construction and symbol of LDR, working principle of LDR, its characteristics, advantages, disadvantages and applications of LDR. Now let us define what is LDR. LDR is a light dependent resistance. It is a two-terminal device, the resistance of which is depend on the intensity of light incident on it. The LDR works on the principle of photoconductive effect and its resistance decreases with the increase in the intensity of light. It is also called as a photoresistor or photocell. Now we'll see the construction and symbol of LDR. This is the symbol of the LDR. LDR is called as a photoconductive cell. As shown in this figure, a light sensitive material such as cadmium sulfide is deposited on the ceramic substrate. Then the substrate along with the photosensitive layer of CDS is enclosed in the metal container. The contact leads are brought for the external connection as shown in this figure. The light is incident on the light sensitive material through the glass cap or the lens which has been added at the top of this assembly. Now we'll see the principle of operation. As shown in this figure, when the light is incident on the photosensitive material, then the incident photon collide with the atoms of the light sensitive semiconductor material and impart the energy to them. Due to this energy, the valence electrons will come across the forbidden energy gap and enter into the conduction band. Due to the more number of electrons entering the conduction band, the conductivity of the material increases and resistance decreases. Thus, the resistance of LDR decreases with the increase in the intensity of light. This is the characteristics of LDR. As shown in this figure, it shows the variation of resistance of LDR with the change in the intensity of light. If you observe this graph, the LDR resistance decreases with the increase in the intensity of light. Now what is dark resistance? It is a resistance offered by the LDR in the absence of light. The typical value of this dark resistance is a few hundred kilo-ohm. With the increase in the light intensity, the resistance of LDR decreases significantly. But the value of the resistance does not start decreasing immediately. At any time, the resistance value of the LDR depends on the previous light falling on it, and this is called as a memory effect or the light history effect. The advantages of LDR: it is simple to construct and operate, it is having a good sensitivity, also a low cost, linear response. There are few disadvantages of this LDR: highly inaccurate with the response time of about tens or hundreds of milliseconds. It is a slow device, its resistance does not change quickly. It can work only in the small range of electromagnetic spectrum. The main drawback of this LDR is its slowness. This makes them unstable for the application where the light intensity changes rapidly. We need to use faster device for such type of applications. There are so many applications of LDR. It can be used in the camera exposure control, photocopy, that is Xerox machines for checking the density of the toner. Also it is used in the automatic headlight dimmer in cars. Also it can be used in the night light control, street light control. Thus the LDR is an optical sensor which work on the principle of photoconductive effect and its resistance decreases with the increase in the intensity of light.